Okay, I'm not understanding you, and probably it's not going to make any difference.
I want to go
Crazy now.
home.
You want to go home? You know,
Please.
if you were really worried about deprivation of your liberty, you would show up in court and take care of business, Ms. Haynes.
No.
Apparently, you don't want to do that, so we're going to have to leave you in jail so that we can get you produced. Right, I've got someone else seated what it appears to be at the Butler County Detention Center Zoom location. Who do I have there?
Crystal Haynes.
All right, I'll call State of Kansas versus Crystal Dawn Haynes, case number 2021 CR 433. Brett Sweeney appearing for the state, Crystal Haynes from the jail Zoom location. See bench warrant bond forfeiture orders in this file. In fact, that's all I see in here. Going back to February of 2023, I see a warrant to show cause alleging violations of failing to report to court services and failing to pay on the balance owed in the case. I trust that's still the matter that we're trying to get Ms. Haynes disposed of on. Would you agree, Mr. Sweeney?
I would, Your Honor.
All right. Further hearing will need to be set before your assigned judge, which is the Honorable Phyllis Webster, I believe. So I will set the Haynes case on Judge Webster's docket for December the 4th, 2023, 8:00 a.m. Do you have the financial resources to hire your own lawyer now, Ms. Haynes? I'm sorry?
I'm going to say yes and no. The sole fact I can try. If not, can I get a court-appointed one? So say I try to get one with a lawyer on my own and I can't afford it. Can I just call you guys or do I
What
just say yeah?
financial resources would you be using?
I'm going to say no then. I can't get one on my own.
All right, I will appoint Darren Patterson to represent Crystal Haynes.
And if I can't get one, then I just will tell him. Right?
Yes, you can replace your appointed counsel with retained counsel at any time, Ms. Haynes.
Okay.
Otherwise, you appear December 4th at 8:00 a.m. in the morning by Zoom on Judge Webster's docket, December 4th, 8:00.
So if I do get a lawyer, I don't have to show up in court? Is that the way it works?
If you get a lawyer, you definitely have to show up in court.
Okay.
You appear for all scheduled court dates, Ms. Haynes, which apparently has been a problem for you in the past. I don't know why, but you appear to have a track record of not appearing. Very disturbing. All right, I'm going to check and see what your bond is.
Looks like it's a no bond hold, Your Honor.
Is that based on previous failure to appear in regards to this warrant?
It is, Your Honor, from August 21st of 23, although it looks like she also had a failure to appear on 5/1, and then that was reinstated on 5/30, and then she failed to appear again, and then the no bond hold was reinstated.
Well, she's apparently a very poor risk to let back out. I'm going to leave the no bond hold order in effect. Ms. Haynes, if you want to get that court date moved up, talk to your attorney about it. And then maybe you can get your court date advanced. Because right now, the only date I have to assign is December 4th at 8:00. If you do, what's the matter? Okay, I'm not understanding you, and probably it's not going to make any difference.
I want to go home.
You want to go home? If you were really worried about deprivation of your liberty, you would show up in court and take care of business, Ms. Haynes. Apparently, you don't want to do that, so we're going to have to leave you in jail so that we can get you produced for court. The jail is really good at it. Like I said, I think you probably need to make a request to your attorney to have your court date advanced. Okay? have it moved up. But for now, I'm going to leave the court date. We're announced December 4th at 8. No bond hold, Patterson appointed. Anything else, Mr. Sweeney?
No, Your Honor.
Then the Crystal Haynes matter will be in recess. We'll move on to the next case.